My name is Mehek. Today we will cut fruits and vegetables and then we will cook the vegetables. So we need to cut the vegetables. So here is my chopper board. Okay, now where is my knife? Oh, here it is. So here is my knife. Now there is some vegetables and there's fish. Now we will cut the vegetables, then we will cook them. So this is not the place where I'm gonna cook. So let's put them there and get our pot. Okay, so now we are gonna cut the vegetables. So which one should we cut the first? Okay, let's cut the fish. It's a fish, blah 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 blah. The fish is really delicious. So I'm gonna cut the fish now. Oh yes, this is not what I'm gonna cook. So I will put it over there, and here is the fish, which one I'm gonna cook now. Let's turn him the heat. Done. Now let's get a plate. Here's my plate. Now I'm gonna cut the plate. Here I put the plate over here. And now let's get the fish with my fork. Here. Now I'm gonna put the fish on the plate. Yay! Yummy! Now it's time for it to heat up. This fish looks delicious and yummy. Delicious! Yummy! I'm done. Now let's put the plate over there. Okay, now I put my fork. And time to chop another one. Which one will I chop? Cut the next. Let's try with the broccoli. Here's the broccoli. Almost done. There's 2 more vegetables to cook. So which piece do I get now? Which one do you want? This one or this one? This one? Okay. So let's put this one in the pot. Like this. Now, time to the cookies. Turn on the heat. Done. Now let's turn on the heat. Now where's my plate? This time I will use a red plate. Let's put the plate here, and here's my fork. I will get the broccoli. Oh my god, it's not gonna fall. Yes, I did. This broccoli is delicious. What do I do? I don't like broccoli. Yummy! It was a yummy food. Let's put the plate and the fork. Now, which one will I cut? Let's cut the raw pumpkin. It's colored green. The raw pumpkin is outside green, inside orange. Can you guess which piece will I cook? This one or this one? Guess it. This one? Yes, I'm gonna cook this one. And another one can go here. Oops. Turn on the heat. Done. Now turn off the heat. Now get my pumpkin out. Oh my god, I forgot to take a plate. Okay, so where's my plate? Oh no! Okay, it's okay. It's tight, so let's pick it out. Oops. Here is the raw pumpkin. Yummy. Now I'm gonna eat it up. Haha. Yummy. Now let's put the plate there and the fork too. The last one will be a pepper. Oops. I'm not gonna slice it with my hand. Now let's use a knife. Okay, one piece for today and one piece for another day. Okay, so let's get this piece up and put it. Turn on the heat. Yummy! Now let's turn on the heat and get a plate. This time I will use a green one. So where is my fork? Here it is. And that's it. Like this. Done. Now let's eat it. Oh, it's so yummy. Pepper. That was delicious. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.